Alright, she's alive.
She's alive!
Take her for a spin. She's good. No, he didn't. Yo, she runs hot, T-Ward. Yo, Sammy J's gonna be stoked about this dream.
Well, you're missing a mother.
Man, you need school. What you sow is what you reap. The price of even making it, you know it's not cheap. Never mind the lights, you can sacrifice sleep. Put your best out there, see results in a week. Preach. I don't think they know.
Alright, we're about to check out this car for sale. See if we want to buy it. Oh, there it is.
Alright.
Not bad so far.
But my landlords are not going to take the charging cord.
Okay.
So I can't.
Well, we were gonna see if we could jump it actually. We brought jumper cables.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you have the key, I would love to see.
Yeah, sure.
Is there a possibility it does run?
It runs. It runs rough.
It runs rough.
What's the price on this? Just to be, what's the price that you have on it?
$450.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Needs a tune-up, that's for sure. And the windshield wiper reservoir, crap. I don't know what else is wrong with it.
I can figure that. I can figure most of that stuff out myself.
The shop estimate was about $1,400.
We'll see. T-Ward's at the mechanic now.
This is how you get the lead.
That is true though. I'm not gonna lie.
So this thing's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, I used.
She broke that window herself. I'm liking it. Yeah, yeah, like professionally.
Yeah.
The inspection got rejected.
Well, that would make sense.
Not even.
On it.
What's your census on this?
What's the census? I mean, it just seems like it just needs a little TLC. I mean,
What would you say for the price though?
nice.
Price is right. You want me to try and start it?
This could be honest. I'm not even playing. This could be. I swear to God, this
Do you have the key?
I gave you the key.
What, are you stealing the key now already?
you give me a
Wait, I'm sorry. Stupid.
It's okay, it's okay.
Likes to steal keys there.
I don't. Why are you lying like that?
It's no juice though, dude. And why is this in here?
What is it? Smart plug?
Oh, no, that's
That's an extra one? Is that one that needs to be replaced or?
It was replaced.
Oh, it was.
We're starting to get power to this.
Oh yeah. Let it charge for a minute.
Make sure
That was nice.
Is it starting up and all?
It got some juicy.
It did?
It did, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. I want to make sure it's got good enough connection. Is this back window? Like, those things I could like.
This is a good deal. Craigslist deal. Well, this is Facebook Marketplace, but it was turning over like it's about to run. So for $450, I don't know how you could go wrong, to be honest. But I'm thinking if it runs pretty good, Sammy could probably drive this thing.
Is this thing just?
It's actually fresh. Try and start it.
Huh?
Try and start it, because it was juicing.
No, she's not getting any juice, dude.
It was?
It was.
Check.
The one you were messing with it was.
Check the.
All right, she's alive.
She's alive!
Yeah, she's alive, T-Word.
No gas though.
Zero gas out.
Alright, we can get gas.
Yo, don't turn it off.
No, just turn off, dog.
Yeah, right. It's been sitting a while.
Yo, this thing's fresh, dude.
T-Word goes, I didn't turn it off. Like, yeah.
I might have to go back to the house and get the gas then, maybe.
Okay, well, let's just do it because we don't want to take up her.
Yeah.
Let her charge up. She's got.
We're going to go to the
All right, we're about to buy this thing. How do you feel about it?
I hope she makes it back to SP.
Oh man, I'm about to dude, I'm about to throw down on this. Here, I'm gonna give you this now and then give you the rest when we come back.
Okay.
I just don't want someone walking off with my baby.
What, in the next hour?
Yeah.
Look at that cat.
What if someone came by and offered her more money?
They're, I feed them. They're feral.
They're feral ones?
Some of them are munchkin cats, which have the itty bitty tiny legs.
Do you want one of those? The Japanese cats.
Yeah, my cat.
All right, let's just get this popping, right? And then we'll just come back.
Get a little bit of gas. Do you have a gas can?
Yeah, it's already filled.
Your gas can?
Yeah, ready to go.
Where at? In the truck?
No, at the house. I just got to get to the house.
Are you going to go straight to the house and back?
Yeah. I mean, you can stay here if you want. What are you claiming about this?
On the Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th come-ups,
Friday
though.
the 13th come up.
Friday the 13th come-ups. Where is this big guy? Right here, right?
Yeah.
This is all we need, just one?
Just one. Just to go around the fucking...
Grab this guy and I'll get the gas. Alright, this is going down. About to buy this whip. So T-Word was just cruising on... What were you cruising on Marketplace one day, right? Came across this little Volvo. And boom, bang, bam. I should still... Yeah. $450 for this stream.
Get this set back up. Let's get this set back up. I'll put some gas in it.
You gotta, I know, I was gonna say, you really have
So
to
much
edit.
editing.
Yeah. 'Cause it's usually me doing that, but not that much.
Not at that level. That level is just heavy level.
Be careful. Pop, pop. Alright. Smells a little funky in here. Ow.
Huh?
Hazards on?
Why?
Hazards on.
Are you filling her up?
Yeah, maybe. That's like...
I think that's good.
Couple gallons.
Did you put the hazards on?
No, I didn't. They might just been on.
Sammy Jizzle.
Here. Let me see if I can get this baby going. Sammy G.
The hazards weren't on and the key was just...
Oh, in it?
See how she runs, boys. She actually runs so hot. Oh man. Should I take the Johnnies off and see if it stays?
Do you want to... Yeah, take it off.
Yeah, take them off and see how she rides. I think it really did, take her for a spin. She's good. No, he didn't. Yo, she runs hot, T-Word. She said the brakes are low.
Try slow shift up or shift... Try slow shift or shift up.
I say we just try and get her back, dude.
We're going.
Instead of messing with it.
I might have a CD in there if you want to pop it.
You have the title, right?
I'm right in my pocket.
Okay. Is there any way you'll take 4 for it? That's 3, and then I gotta get my wallet. $4.25, not bad. She said $4.25. Save a $25 guy, right?
Just so she doesn't run low.
Good to go. Yeah, T-word. That was gold. Yo, she's a whipper, boys.
Oh my god, let's rip her down the street when we get back to that.
Yo, it rides hot. Yo, it rides hot. Yo, T-word, when you drove that down the road, I was dying because it was so nice. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, baby.
How do you feel about this baby?
Trump, though.
The way you were just driving my new car is not nice.
Shameful.
Sammy J's gonna be. Yo, Sammy
J.
J's gonna be stoked about this dream.
Well, you're missing them up.
Is this gonna, are you gonna fix this up for me, T-Wood? It'll be a wedding gift?
We don't need that.
No.
Yeah, we don't need that.
We don't.
The way you're whipping it, we don't need that.
Okay.
I like
Here's
the-
your copy.
Official.
You sign your
The
silhouette.
Nissan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love Volvos.
I do too. I think they're great cars.
I've had them forever. This is the first time I'm.
Getting rid of one.
All right, buyer's name, buyer's address, seller's name.
You're driving it, right, Pop?
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Have a good night. Title in hand. We're heading back. All right. Let's put our seatbelt on. First time driving the baby. Ooh, she's a little feisty little one. Ride's pretty good though, I must say. She wants to like jump out of her skin now. That's the thing. She's like jolting. Hopefully she makes it back. Alright, back in Summers Point. Almost made it back home. The dream lives right now. We just got this Volvo. Drives 100% fine for $425. This is ridiculous. Life is beautiful. Drives like a dream, straight up. You could drive this thing to Florida. Wow, what a pickup. What a score. What a score, boys. Got to pull it into the driveway though, because it's gonna need some work before we can get it truly on the road. Ooh, scraped the front there a little bit. Dude. Yo. No way. There's no way that lady sold that for that price. Yo, it's unrealistic that she sold that for 400.
Can I
Yeah,
try
you're
driving?
Yeah, your mechanic.
Oh yeah.
Turn it
I
down.
brought my mechanic to the job site. Yo, it can drive this thing to Florida.
Yo, I kinda
Put some air
Take it around the block real quick.
Yeah, take it around.
It's all electric, dog.
What are the chances this would have gotten scooped up if by tomorrow? Remember I was telling her like I don't want someone walking away with my baby, because I wasn't kidding. Did you ever think you'd be one of those? Like a Volvo guy?
I didn't think I was gonna be one of these.
I would. She rides hot.
Wait, why did I think VW and Volvo were the same
I have no
thing?
idea.
Alright, potentially Sammy's new car. This started as a joke, turned into a Friday the 13th miracle. Is what happened.
I take a little, so nobody wants to put their face on this thing, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, get classic with it. Claim it. Honestly, it's not even dirty though.
No, it just has like I was gonna say Belgian in it. Landis came to check it out.
Big dog.
Landis, come check it out, bud.
All right, we scored today, boys. See you guys in the next video, pretty much.
What is this?
Is T-Word out of here?
Okay. So you just hit jackpot.
Jackie,
Dude.
thank you.
Far East, the Far East, and the Volvo, same
One day.
One day.
I was saying it started as a joke, turned into a Friday the 13th miracle. Literally.
Dude, we literally got so much footage today just on the greatest
man.
stuff, too. Oh,
All
my
right,
God.
peace, everyone. See you guys tomorrow driving around on the Volvo.
In the Volvo.
What are you gonna do?
Go outside and look at my car
And what?
and get this rat out
What is this guy doing?
Come on, Pop Pop.
No, he's not.
You're an inside guy.
We know he's an insidey guy. Alright, we're about to take this picture for the Instagram post of the skateboard. So I guess we're not going to be announcing this video until Monday of who won. But wow, this thing's beautiful. But here we are, look, another beautiful day in paradise, bright and early. So today we're going to wash down the Volvo, Sammie's new whip, and get ready for the flea market tomorrow that we're going to do. So stay tuned, it should be a good day. MJ wants to go outside, but he can't. Probably hit some sales today too. But where are we going to do it? Right here? Or in front of the show to get garage?
Oh, right there, I guess. They get me every time.
Spider?
Yes.
Look, he drew.
Excuse my face, I haven't washed it yet.
It's looking perfect to me.
Every time.
The web's going all the way from the truck. See it?
And you don't understand, like, these spiders are like pregnant spiders in our backyard. So they're like that big, and they just like drop. They drop from the trees.
Okay. So if you guys didn't know, something amazing happened yesterday. Our friend Tony Ward, T Ward, found a picture of a car online that was close by, listed for $450, and we've been thinking about buying a car and cleaning it up, fixing it up a little, and flipping it, or potentially buying a car very cheap to part out. So it turned from a funny post on Facebook to this reality, because we ended up getting to the person's house, jumping the car, putting gas in it, and driving it home. And now the reality of the car is that it's actually not a junk car. There's no dents in it. It drives, runs and drives, and the only thing that's really terribly wrong with it is it was rejected from inspection because of something wrong with the electronics, and the back window is broken out from the lady because she just locked her keys in it. But other than that, we might potentially be looking at Sammy J's first car in like 10 years since she had her Ford Taurus.
This thing needs to be
Washed, tires filled up,
But this is a nice car. Like,
battery charged or replaced.
you can't really beat $400. And it doesn't. It needs like minor work. I don't think like anything crazy is wrong with it. But then again, I don't know anything about cars either. So
I just know that I drove it 10 miles after it sat for a year. So obviously it wasn't that bad.
yeah, what I think happened is that she just got that new. She got her new car, and this was just sitting there.
I do think though, if this run the way it did yesterday, you could clean this and resell for double.
I think she just needed the money because she said she was moving in like 2 weeks. And quote, she said out of this dump. So I think she needed as much cash as she could get in a short amount of time. That's why she sold it so cheap.
Are you happy about it?
Yeah.
Stoked.
I'm stoked about it. I just need to wash my face. I'm sorry, guys. Excuse me.
These mosquitoes out here.
I know.
Alright, other than just taking the trash out of here, which is not, I don't know what that is. It might be to the car. We got the battery charger hooked up, and we're gonna see the lights and everything are on right now, so it's like charging it for sure. Let's see what we got. We're gonna, Sammy wants to wash it and bring it around to the front. It's charging, so we'll let it go for a minute, and we're gonna clean it and see if we can do like some small maintenance, blow the tires out and maybe do an oil change. But we're stoked, really stoked about this. This is really fun for us. Alright, we've been charging her up for a wee little bit, but maybe we just have to jump it if it doesn't start this time. Little Volvo dream. Let's see what we're working with now. Let's see. Start it up on that one. Got to pull it around front. Alright, first step to get, what's her name? V
baby.
V baby back on the road is vacuuming. So not mechanical at all, but clean car makes a difference. Wipe down the seat. Ooh. Wipe down the seat. Oh yeah, getting it. These guys are clipped in here. They just get these back ones might not be as bad.
They're not as crazy, but
Not as creepy as the other ones. Can you pull the key out of there and give it to me, please? Thank you. Look at all this stuff sitting in here just from sitting. Not that crazy though, honestly.
easiest way to get leaves out of your sandbox? Chop back.
In the auto zone, got to get a seat cover.
Because the seats are a little bit, it's creepy to have like skin to seat contact when like the seats are like moldy. A little bit. I'm gonna get disinfectant though and try and clean it, but you don't want to do so much.
I'm gonna look at the paint, which is over here. the paint coat I found on the side of the car. Well, it's in the hood. So I'm going to try and match it as well as possible. Alright, we didn't find the paint match, but we're getting leather cleaner wipes. Never used these before. And Sammy J's getting a seat cover and a steering wheel cover for the drain. Toot toot toot. V baby?
V baby.
Calling her Gigi?
Oh, my bad.
We're gonna have to watch Gigi too, because she's gonna feel left out.
We have a free car behind.
Yeah. Bring the Volvo over there. Just tell him not to turn it off. Right? You got it on? Let me work with the seat cover here. You gotta get something that cuts through that.
Yeah.
Cause like that's, do you know what I mean? Like this will come off.
Well, that's what I
Oh,
was
it's
trying
sticky.
That's why I was trying to like look. Usually like disinfectant stuff.
In where? Usually go on a little bit. Oh yeah, the soap's going into it too. What are you
Stop
saying?
spending it all up on the dope. You can save up enough to fly out of town. Say, I do!
What is your
Wow!
claim? What's the claim?
I do! Dig it. Oh, little AM. Wait, bring it on. Bring it up, baby. We got a little AM rock. Hey,
What's
you
the
got
claim,
to tie
dude?
the knot. You got to make the dream come alive. If you want the wedding gift, baby.
Now that's what you call a true legend. Wow. All right, we're about to see B Colt's a local Volvo owner's reaction to the $400 buy. Oh my gosh. How much did you spend for this?
This was a cool 1900 and it needed struts and a fuel pump the day I bought it.
So what about this buy?
How much?
$425.
Never was. How nice is this?
Yo, Colt. Are you a little mad that you didn't get this deal?
It's just like mine. It doesn't have the turbo too. It's like
Doesn't
the
no.
same, no, but it's like the same thing as mine.
The turbo diesel is $2.
I don't like the turbo one. More repair car. I got you this. If you want
What?
to sell it or
Why?
something. I don't. It's taking up space.
No such thing.
That's
It's
a serious bag. I'm keeping it.
Yeah, we.
Ooh, he brought the thingy for the
No,
electronics.
we never used it.
Yeah, but is that good for when we actually go?
Yeah.
We gotta
I'm
buy
not gonna
one.
clear anything. I can.
You're gonna check it.
Yeah, and if we want to
Turn the
clear
thing
it, we
on.
Turn the
could.
windshield wipers off.
I got a problem
Oh my
with
god, this is nice in here,
Well,
dude.
I put seats in there.
How do you turn it off?
Dude,
Well, dude, on the regular car, that's where you put the like in park and stuff.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna fuck it up.
You can turn the car on first,
Let
right?
me turn it off first. Or do you need it on?
Turn
for
it
that?
on. Turn it on. Oh, you don't need it on for the thing?
No, you do, but I want to plug it in first.
He's gonna see what kind of codes we're running here.
Oh, so if I need to know anything, I could just ask.
Well, we can just buy one of those things.
Yeah, they're so cheap.
Like 20
No,
bucks,
but I'm
30
saying
bucks.
questions
Turn
about
the
other
ignition
things.
on, press any key. So I can start her up,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Oh,
Why is it not starting?
it was just a minute ago.
Did I fuck it up?
No,
No.
just go again.
Battery's dead?
Yeah, turn it all the way off.
Damn, dude.
Just give me the rundown.
Let's
Would you
open the hood and see under
would
the
you
hood.
buy it for 400
Yeah, I mean, dude, I would have bought it just for the... Literally would have bought it for the parts.
for a parts car, right?
Yeah, let's see underneath. I mean, I'm not really a car guy, but
Me neither.
I fixed everything on mine, so I kind of... Looks just like mine. Wow.
A little bit more cobwebs in there, huh?
Looks literally just like mine.
Can you believe she did that?
No.
No, for real.
No.
Me neither. I'm in disbelief still. Like we
Great
showed up
car.
there as if it was a joke. Like we thought it was a joke, a full joke. Because like you know the kind of cars people sell on there.
I have some of this in my car right now. Oh, you're good.
It's all. She was just putting fluids in it for fun.
Dude, this is a full dreamer. What else have I fixed on my car? Pretty much. My fucking dipstick was broke too! The same way. Oh my god, you might have actually just bought my car's twin.
I mean, I would buy your car now for
Dude,
400.
my dipstick was broke the same way.
Who sold you that for 19?
Muppet.
He got you.
He was laughing.
No kidding. Yeah, but like we just watched it and stuff, and like
Did your check engine light on? Yeah.
obviously.
I mean, mine is all the time.
Yo, look, it got rejected for inspection. Cole.
Yeah, but we're gonna get it in there.
This guy knows.
I have the same car. Codes found too. That's how many I have.
So what does that mean?
Why doesn't that let me read? Oh, and I was hitting fucking exit. Cylinder 2 misfire.
Let me write this down.
Yeah, I just take photos of it. That's what I do.
Oh, good idea.
Want me to just do it, or you want to just do it?
Do this one first.
So then you have the
I'm
code.
not
in.
smart about this kind of stuff, so. Okay, what else we got?
Heater control circuit. They're all. I don't think that stuff's that.
I don't think you can even care about the heater at this point.
No.
We're just more worried
Cylinder
about.
2 misfire. That might be a
Is that the same
Ignition
code?
coil.
There's
I
only
think
2 codes?
Yeah.
Clear them. Those are dumb. We'll take
Hold on. Let's see.
To the inspection station.
There's
Yeah.
2 and then pending. Let's see.
No, I'm kidding.
Well,
Cylinder 2. I don't know if that's like. I don't know. I'm not.
we can look it up.
Chris Fix would have this already fixed.
Should I erase them?
What, you want to race this?
Erase the code.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to say, you can't beat this thing.
We'll never erase this thing. It's done like your check engine is off, but it might come back in like 30 seconds. We gotta see.
What are you claiming?
So, one of your codes was cylinder 2 misfire. I could be wrong. I'm not a car genius, but I have the same car and I've had these issues. I think it might be an ignition coil because I've had to replace like 4 or 5 of them. One of mine was misfiring. I bought one of these, $50 online, way more on store. And then my mechanic was like, "Oh, it was your spark plug, so save this. It's probably still good. So I'll give it to you and put it in, see if it fixes it."
Where did that come from?
This is from my car, but he was like, "It was your
So it was
spark."
just a spark plug.
He's like, "Your spark plug was so busted. I think this is still good." So I mean, if it's not, it's
So
worth
you
a
mean he
try.
replaced this and then he did this?
Yeah, because I bought a new one, and
So
he was
thinking
like,
this
"I
was
think
good
this
to
is
go.
still good because your spark plug was so
Oh
busted."
man, you're hooking it up, dude. The fact that we have, like, you and her have the same car now
Classic.
is insane, right?
Well, I've done every repair I've had to on that car, so I pretty much know everything that.
Do you hire Craigslist mechanic guys?
Yeah.
You can't go dealership, right?
Dealership.
How
You
expensive
can't
would it
even
be?
go to a regular shop.
Yo, to change
Unless you
it.
wanna
Yeah,
spend
to
your
change a tire on here, it would cost more than the whole
Dude,
car.
honestly, a regular shop, you'll waste your whole life savings on like an oil change.
You do your oil change by yourself?
No.
How do you
don't
do
know.
it?
I actually go to one of those little places for that.
That's cheap, though, right?
Synthetic. You probably have synthetic in this, right?
I'm just gonna try and do it myself if I can.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Like flush it all out and put new in, because that's probably a problem too. This guy came. He came to get it. His video games. What's up, dude?
What's going on, brother?
How are you?
Very good. How you been, man?
Just a fresh pave.
Sorry, man. I said 10 minutes, but you had like 40-yard sales on the way here, so.
Did you hit him?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you get?
You won't believe it, man.
Let me see.
Some Master System stuff, dude.
Can I see it?
Yeah, go on.
Do you see this car?
Which one?
This one? We
one?
bought this for $400
When?
yesterday.
Oh, so you didn't put it up yet, right? You didn't
This is
upload.
for my wife.
But
to
you
keep.
didn't upload the video, anything about it.
No.
That's why I know. I wouldn't see.
You would have saw it. Oh, you watched that many?
Yeah, well, yeah, man. Come on. I'm your neighbor here. I watch every day.
This guy's a god.
I watch it every day.
I thought you watched like 3 before.
No, dude, you won't believe. I think I watched your videos before meet you guys on the.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
Yeah.
Colt, you got to see this.
Some Sega. Some Sega.
He buys video games.
Yeah, man.
I have a lot of stuff I don't know, but
Dude.
we're gonna have to try and make a deal.
Yeah.
See what we can do. A bundle.
Oh yeah, you want to sell everything together? The whole
Hopefully,
thing?
yeah. How's the Ford?
It's good, man. I feel bad because it started to poke a hole here. On it got so bad. I put a piece of tape and then now.
You did that?
Yeah, I just put it. Was good for a year, and then the other day.
That's not
so,
a big deal, though.
Yeah, but yeah, man. I talked before evening and put a bed leaning, because I do a lot of construction. But
What, like painting?
Huh?
Painting?
no, framing, trimming, this kind of stuff.
That's what you do for a living?
Yeah, I do construction stuff. Look, dude. That's some crazy shit.
This one.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
But the problem is they're Japanese, But well, at least for me to play instead of buy one that's so much money, the American one,
Yeah, but you could sell it.
Look at this. Oh shit, man! I wish it was Genesis, man. But well, still.
These are
Strider.
good, these are good to sell, though, right?
No, they play on the American system. What I'm saying is because the NTSC worth a lot of money, But those here is like some of the best Genesis games.
I never even saw any of those in real life, other than online.
You probably did. Is because the cover art in America might look a little bit different. This is Strider. You know what Strider is?
Yeah, but I had that game before, but not ever that one.
Oh, no,
Like you're saying,
It's because
it's
it's
better for selling though if it's this one, right?
No, the American ones were for
Really?
money. Yeah, because this is Japanese. People buy from Japan because it's cheaper, you know. But I want for play, so. Dude, I can't believe it, man. This game I don't have it, man. Yeah, 3DO stuff. Sega CD, but I was so unlucky. It was like a sport, man. If it was anything like a spaceship shooter or something, this worth a lot of money.
What's the most valuable one?
Is Panzer Dragoon? No, for Sega CD, I don't even know.
You don't know?
No.
Me neither.
For Saturn, it's Panzer Dragoon. Because I confused because they're big box. 3D, oh, this is RPG too. This is for Genesis, that's what I'm saying, look. You know, if those cartridges were something like a American ones, oh man. But they don't care.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
You bought this from a yard sale right now?
Yeah.
How much?
The lady, man. She gave me per 30 bucks, the whole thing, man.
So that's a good deal.
Yeah. You know, that's why I bought it.
What is
know?
this one?
This is a Batman 2, but it's for open. It's for Mega Drive. The thing is because it's Japanese, that's why it's that case.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Oh man.
This is for the Master System, right?
For Master
I
System.
have one.
You have one like phaser?
Do you have a Master System?
I do not.
I have one for you if you want it.
Dude.
But you're gonna have to test everything.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know.
Oh yeah. You have the power cord for it, something like
you
this?
may, yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah,
we can do whatever
Dude,
you want to do.
This will be the one that I will be more interested on. It will be like a Master System one. Because all the other systems I have, you know, and a Master System, I don't. It's one of my favorites when I was a child. Okay.
Because it's missing this
That's
piece.
okay, yeah.
My friend gave it to me. He was going to throw it out, and I never got the piece. So he said it works. I mean, I don't know.
That's cool. That's pretty cool, man. Okay, man.
This goes to that,
Oh,
but I don't know if it works. Like it probably does. I don't know.
Oh yeah, probably you
And
can
then-
use this with the Master. You can use this with the Master System.
This one goes to the Genesis.
Okay, man. And you have that over
Yeah, that's
there.
yeah.
And the system over there, right?
Yes,
Where
yeah.
did we put the over there?
Did you plug it into something? No, it's just good right here. I think this cord is broken, but you have that one. But just take both, I guess.
Yeah, no, because the important thing is this, the RF switch.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. This, oh man, this, oh I hope, oh baby, come on, I will love you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, we made a deal.
Thank you very much, man.
He bought some stuff. Hopefully he can just sell some of it and then keep some of it.
Play a lot and have fun.
That's the way to do it. Thank you.
Thank you, man. It's very nice, man. And I will be back, man. Thank you very much. It was very generous.
Okay, so earlier today our friend came from the flea market that we met, and he took off our hands $110 worth of video game stuff that had been sitting for a while. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I can't really say we made $110 because we purchased some of the stuff. We did profit, I will say that, but I've just been hoarding like vintage and just video game stuff in general, thinking I was going to put it on eBay. But I'm happy to see it go and happy to get the 110 back on track. So back to the car. Pretty cool. Our friend B Cold actually has a car basically the same as this. So he actually did know a lot of stuff about it when he came over earlier. And that's awesome to hear because he put it up on that little machine and basically it read 2 codes that were wrong with the car. And they're things that we believe that we can fix in-house and for very cheap compared to what it would cost anywhere else. As of now, we have it on the charger. We washed it. She put some just seat covers on it, and I'm gonna fill up the tires right now and just get them back. They're really not even that flat though, is the thing. So that's what we got going, and this is reading like, well, it turned off I guess now. Let's see what it's reading now. Like almost above 50% charge, so maybe we're gonna have to get another battery, maybe not really sure. And all in here, this is more that we have to clean, and then we have to get a window here. Showed that already a few times, but all in all, if you look in the inside, it's legitimately pretty nice. Like it was I would call it a full-blown steel The lady just wanted it gone. It was one of those situations that happen more than you would think, where someone has something of value and they just want to get something for it. So they're willing to take a lot less than it's worth just because they want it gone. So I'm super stoked about it. I really think it was a good buy. I almost think we got it for actually like a third of what it's worth, which is a lot of money considering a car. So we'll see. So far so good. I'm gonna fill up the tires though.
About to take my new car for a test drive.
Set it off, let your body feel the rhythm groove. Feet moving, your body turn into a wave. Let it go, you gotta let it go. Feel the rhythm moving through you. Oh na na la la, oh oh oh. Sending out that loving vibe. Oh na na la la, oh oh oh. Sending out that loving. You know you feel it, electric is in your body, babe. We come together to dance away all our inner pain. I'll meet you underneath the sky. Every summer night. Every summer night. Every summer night. Here we go, here we go. Everybody move it, let go. Here we go, here we go. Oh, oh, let's go. Here we go, here we go. Everybody move it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel about this car?
It's nice.
Did you think you were gonna buy a Volvo this week?
No.
Okay, so we are going to be doing the Vineland Flea Market tomorrow. We've decided for sure, and we're packing up the car now. There's some stuff in it already from earlier, but we're going to fill it up with goodies and try and sell some more stuff like we do every day. All right, we're loaded up for the flea market. Not a massive load, but we realized that the less we bring,
The better we can display all the stuff.
and to be honest, we're probably not going to be there all day, so a half day to sell at the flea. Got a half day worth of gold. But yeah, stoked.